Hi traders, S&P 500 crashed down by 3% the past week. NASDAQ down by almost 6%. Now this mainly happened because of the disappointing quarterly earning report of the technology sector, but also because of January employment data which came out on Friday. Now next week Chinese markets are going to be closed due to the Chinese holiday, New Year holiday. However, the market is going to be influenced by Yellen's speech on Wednesday and Thursday. Investors are still sitting on the fence, trying to digest the past data, but the market is at a point right now where it's going to make a decision whether to pull back up a little bit more or crash down. My opinion, it's going to continue the crash down, and in my opinion, as I've been stating for the last few weeks, we're going to see new lows pretty soon. Let's take a technical look at the market. As we can see, the S&P 500 tried to move higher and failed. Now we're coming back down to the 1800 point, and again, this is a support area which I believe is going to be broken soon in the next 1 or 2 weeks. Let's take a broader look at the market. When we take at the monthly, look at the S&P 500 monthly, we can see that we are at the point of a possible breakdown again below the 1800, and the next station may be the 1600. Let's take a look at last week's picks. First pick was CPB, which did great, a little bit more than 3%, enough for my 3-quarter sale, and the last quarter is out due to the fact that the last quarter moved down to the entry point. So CPB was a nice long trade at a time when the market is moving down, which is quite good. Second pick was Kite, that was for a short, and it did very well. It's down by 14%. However, when it touched a little bit more than 3% again, I took my 3 quarters out, covered my 3 quarters. My last remaining quarter is out right now because it did move to the entry point and continue down. So moving down 14% without me, but still it was a little bit more than 3%. Nice first partial on 3 quarters. Let's pick 2 stocks for next week. My first pick is OKE. OKE is a natural gas storing and transportation company. It looks great for a long, and I think the whole energy sector is supposed to move slightly higher, and OKE over $26 looks like an interesting swing. Second pick for this week is HLF, Herbalife. I don't have, I guess, tell you much about this. This is the weight management company. I think it's going to continue moving down. It's for short under $44.43. Wish you a great trading week. See you next week.